Oh, nose kiss. Today we are going to go jump on Spaceship Earth, and then we're going to go to World Showcase. In my first adventure, I focused more on the port of entry area and all the stuff up front here, but we're going to venture further into the World Showcase this time. Let's go jump on Spaceship Earth.
1,000 years to come up with the next bright idea. Creates better record keeping. Plans, designs,
Oh, yeah. Look on the overhead screen, see if we can find out. Oh, there it is! That's so cool! I have not been on Spaceship Earth in ages. I thought there was like a future section, but there was no future section. Maybe I'm imagining things. Does anyone else remember like a future section? Maybe I'm off. Or maybe that's Carousel of Progress with the future? I don't know. That's okay. That's super cool. Ellie, I think that one just hatched. Slide your finger under it. Maybe it'll climb on there. Mommy. Mommy. It was on there. She had it on her finger.
Oh my God.
How was the butterfly thing?
It was great.
Did you get a butterfly on your finger?
Yeah.
Did you like the butterflies? Were they pretty?
the flowers.
About the flowers.
That was really pretty.
What should we do next?
Get food.
Let's do that. Are you enjoying this video? If so, there are a few things that you can do that would really help Dad out. Go ahead and subscribe. Give the video a like and hit the notification bell. That would be great.
Ripping the wall since it felt like this. Ripping the wall since it felt like this. Ripping the wall since it felt.
Going to give the pollinator flatbread a try. That's different. This is different. I like it though. Chicken and waffles. But it's not a waffle, it's like a cornbread. I don't know. That's different. I don't know if it's a must get, but it's good. For the dishes we got from the Honey-Beestro, I would say the pizza was the better of the two. You can skip the waffles, they're not that good. Pizza's interesting and worth getting. Yeah, we can get off. We are just wandering around the World Showcase and running into characters. We just met Mary Poppins, as you saw, and now we are waiting in line for Minnie Mouse herself. I've never seen her meet people back here. Usually she's at the front of the park, so this will be different. You're on her shirt, Minnie.
With Mickey.
With Mickey, of course. You love her flower headband. Please, let's not take Minnie out. Minnie said she wants a flower headband. Can you get her one? We'll find you one, Minnie. Oh, nose kiss. We just saw Ariel wandering around Epcot, and we asked them where is she meeting people. She's not. They called it a magical moment. So she's just going to be kind of wandering around, and you might see her.
Hello there. Oh, I like your flowers. Well, those are lovely. Did you pick them yourself? See, I suppose it's always quite nice to pick flowers. You always want to make sure you pick the right ones, not the wrong ones, right? Or at least the right flowers that will say the right things, right? Well, certainly. Now tell me, of course, what kind of flowers are your favorite? Oh, and dandelions. Well, I know we have lots of those in Wonderland. Lots of dandelions and tiger lilies and plenty of roses, too. I think if I could pick flowers on top of my head, I probably would also pick roses. After all, they were the only flowers in Wonderland that didn't think I was a weed.
Oh, that's a good point.
Well, of course, if you were going to put flowers on top of your head, and all they had to say was calling you a common mobile vulgaris, that wouldn't be good at all.
No.
No. Always want to pick the right flowers with good manners.
Ah.
Exactly.
Which flower has the best manners?
I would say the roses.
Okay.
Especially maybe the mother rose. Oh, but there's also the white rose. She has the most lovely singing voice. You just have to make sure the Queen of Hearts doesn't catch sight of her. She might want to paint her red, right?
Yeah.
She can always be so silly. But it's like they say in Wonderland, of course, always her ways, right?
Have you seen the White Rabbit today?
Well, I know some people did, of course, say they saw him around here, see? Because there was one person that said they saw Mr. White Rabbit go that way.
Oh, that's the way we'll go then.
Well, no, because someone else came up and they said they saw him going that way.
Oh, no.
So, I mean, I suppose he could be almost anywhere today, even maybe that way.
Oh, no. Oh,
well,
no.
maybe you'll just have to check all over today. Yes. Making sure you don't run late for any important dates, too.
We are making our way through the World Showcase, and we are now in France. And Dad's favorite thing in France is the macaroon ice cream sandwich. So we're gonna get some ice cream. This is my favorite. It is the raspberry with vanilla. So good. And the kiddo got the most massive scoops of ice cream I have ever seen. I'm surprised. Where they usually have the Remy. It's not there. No Remy topiary. Very interesting. The thing that would best explain Remys Rest adventure for me to you is I've been on it twice. I went on my annual pass holder preview and I went on opening day. Since then, I've not gone on it again. I have gone on Mickey's Runaway Railway, I don't know, 10 times? Enough said? Are you hoping for some food? We don't have any food though. As I sit in Starbucks waiting for a green tea lemonade, this is it. We're done for the day. Epcot wins. The kiddo's doing her little thing in the background there. Dad may be extremely tired because I've been parking it up lately, but Dad doesn't do outros, so that's it. Bye. If you enjoyed that video, why not throw Dad a good old like and subscribe and do the notification thing, or leave me a comment about what your favorite part of this video was. That would really help Dad out. And you can go check out one of these other videos. I'm sure they're fantastic. I mean, I made them, so I'm pretty sure they're fantastic. All right. Yeah, do that stuff.